Hey guys, I want to show you a quick little DIY project that's guaranteed to make you more money on eBay. Let's check out the parts I bought real quick. So for this project, I did purchase 7 metal clamps, 99 cents each, so $7 there. I purchased 6 2-foot sections of PVC. They were $1.27 each. So that came out to $7.62. So we'll call that $8 as well. That puts us at 16. I also purchased 6 of those right there. Those are going to be the elbows, and 6 of those elbows came in at $2.73. So project comes in under 20 bucks. We'll just round everything up and call it $19. That should account for taxes. I'm using a towel that I already own. A table that I purchased today. It's just for the demonstration purposes, and I need it, so what the hell. And give me a second, guys. I'll bring you right back in as soon as I assemble this thing, and I'll kind of talk you through it real quick. But these sections right here, I went ahead and glued the 90-degree elbows on them. You can see the 2 top sections have a 90-degree elbow on each side. The 2 bottoms only have it on one side. The reason I put the blue tape is to let me know which side I glued in. I also have 2 other pieces of 2-foot PVC that have no ends at all on them. And you can get these 2-foot sections at Home Depot already cut, so everything's ready to go. The reason I glued them together is just to make it a sturdier and easier thing, and I left a couple of joints that are just going to be slipped together so I can put it all in a bag and take it with me wherever I go. I want to show you what my eBay photo studio looks like when I'm done. And guys, if you want, check out the description. I'll leave my PayPal account information there. If you want to donate, I'd highly appreciate it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and you can see here the frame is fully assembled. This literally takes less than 1 minute. I timed myself and I was 42 seconds to pop this whole thing together. I'm going to go ahead and clamp on my towel. I'll be right back so you can see what that looks like. And I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I am back. When you step back to right here, it doesn't look too impressive in the video, but when you take the photos, they look great, guys. That clip on the top right there, the 2 on the very top, I feel are 100% mandatory. There's 2 on the very bottom, also mandatory. The 4 on the inside, which should be this one, and then the 2 on the other end. Optional, but I like them. Now, as you can see, I leave a pretty big gap in the back right there. That gives me that infinity white kind of background. I could place my item anywhere right in this area. Get a nice 2-foot by about 18-inch square. And there's no seam for the background. So it looks like it's just one nice white plush background. You can do this with the bed sheet. You can do this with different colors if you want. But you get that infinity white background look depending on what material you use in the back. You get it for cheap, under 20 bucks for everything. The reason I came up with this little setup right here, guys, is I was used to using those small fold-out boxes for taking videos on YouTube. I'm sorry, for taking pictures on eBay, and I did a review on YouTube on one not too long ago. And it worked great for me, guys, but the biggest downside was it was small, it got dirty, and it got creases and folds, and it wasn't very user-friendly. It worked great for a couple uses, and then it just stopped working for my needs. So now this is what I go with, guys. It's easy, it's cheap, you get a lot more real estate to work with when you're taking pictures. And again, guys, if you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. Share the video if you found it useful, if you got other eBayers out there that are selling stuff on eBay. And hey, if you can afford it, drop me a couple bucks. Shoot me a little donation. My PayPal information will be in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have an excellent day. Ciao.